Welcome to our Linux tutorial series. In today's quick tutorial, we will learn how to create a user and set password in Linux. To create a new user, we will use the command user add. We will use sudo user add and the name of the user. We will create a user called Maya. Now we have successfully created the user. Now to set the password, we use the command called passwd. Again, we use sudo passwd and the username. We'll have to enter a complex password. Now we have successfully created the username and the password.